Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. This was some chocolate chip dough that I made up yesterday, homemade, and I made a few cookies. They got gone, so I'm about to make some more. But what I'm going to do now, you guys, I'm going to add a few more chocolate chips. Okay, you guys. And I'm just going to incorporate these chocolate. You can all see that. I'm just going to incorporate this into the dough. So I hope your day is going well. Mine is going good so far. Having a blessed Sunday. Okay. So okay. I'm going in my cabinet. Let me see. I'm getting my what's that back there? Nope. I hate searching for dishes, y'all. It's just like they don't put them back with my son. You know, he don't put it back where I have easy access, and it's almost like you gotta search and look for your pans and stuff. I don't like that. Okay, I'm this for my chicken. I'm looking for my other pot. Is this it? I'm looking for this pot as well. Okay, you guys, back to these cookies. Okay. I want to wash my hands. You take them and you roll them up, you guys, and you put them on a parchment. Make some real little cookies because they spread. Okay. So I can be eating off these for a while. I'm just going to make about, they're going to be small. I'm going to make around 6, you guys. Then I'm going to smash it down. And I'm going to show you. Okay, you guys. Just a little bit. And be ready to roll. Okay, let me wash my hand a little bit. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, you guys. I'm going to dry my hands off. Okay, here's the cookies. So I'm just going to smash it down a little bit. Just smash it down. Like I said, this is a sticky dough. Okay, you guys. Okay. So what I'm going to do with this dough here, I'm going to clean this off. And if these cookies be going, I might make some more, but I'm going to put the rest of the dough in the freezer. So these about to go in the oven right now, you guys. They only go in the oven for like 6 to 8 minutes. Okay. So now, I'll make me some coffee. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do next. Alrighty. Alright. Sun out so far. Okay, I'm about to prepare the dinner. I'm gonna wash my container out. Okay. Now this is what I do. I'm making some chicken drums. So what I do is, when I take them out the pack, I put cold water in here. And I clean my chicken. I let it soak for like 5 minutes in this apple cider vinegar. And shake it up. They have a pungent smell, but I clean all my meats with this. I let it soak for like 5 minutes, you guys. Hope you guys can see this. So I let it soak there for like 5 minutes to get all the impurities out. And I will be back later and show you how I season. Okay, you guys. My cookies are out the oven. They cooling down. Okay, so I'm gonna go back over here. I'm sorry about that. Where is chicken at? Hope you can see it. Okay. Now, those are the seasoning I'm gonna show you that I use on my chicken. Let me get a glove, you guys. Let me get a glove. Okay, putting on my glove. Okay. There's my chicken. Got a little bit excess water. Let me drain it. Okay. Now, what I first add on my chicken to get all my seasonings to stick is olive oil. Okay, you guys, you can use any olive oil that you like. And you rub it. Make sure incorporate it both sides. Yep. Okay. Onion powder. You do both sides, you guys. You flip that boy over. And onion powder. I just sprinkle because, as you know, this don't have any salt, so like the flavor. Dash. I use the garlic and herb. Do it on both sides too. Oh well. Let that get real incorporated. As you know, this doesn't have salt either. Okay. But this does. I like this, you guys. But if you don't, you can use garlic powder, garlic salt. I mean, you know, any type of seasoning that you like. So, I'm going to do this on both sides. Just sprinkle, lightly sprinkle. Because this can have a little spice to it as well. If you put too much, you can taste the spiciness in it. And I don't like my food overly spicy. I like it just enough to enjoy. And I'm on the last drop of this. I gotta add this to the list. Okay, no more in here. And massage that chicken. Oh boy. On both sides. And this the key to have it with the barbecue look. I hope you guys focus. Focus. There we go. And both sides well incorporated. Now I'm on the last drop of this too, but I have another one over here. Yep. This is my favorite one though. I got this from Kroger's. I think it was like $10 a bottle. This stuff is so expensive. So, but I got enough on here. But this was my other bottle I had just opened up a while ago. But I'm not going to use it. Got this from Kroger's as well. Usually they have this brand, Spice Island. Buy 2, you get 1 free. So I got this. And the onion powder. And I think some chili powder. Okay, so you can check out that savings as well. Save a little bit of money. Okay. And a little black pepper. Just a little bit. If I can find it up in here. Let's see. Nope. All these seasoning. And lots of seasoning. That black pepper. I ain't gonna hunt and peck for it. I tell you that. Okay, there we go. And see, here's the chili powder like that, Spice Island. So, and they have all different flavors, whatever you like. And this black pepper, just a little bit because of the Slap Your Mother can be a little bit spicy. Okay, that's about it. So, I'm gonna show you. Put this in the oven. That's how my chicken look. So that redness, to have it like a barbecue, So now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Take this glove off. Okay. Right in the oven, you guys. Alrighty. So you guys, I'm about to put up all these spices and sanitize my kitchen down because I'm using chicken. That's what I use to sanitize, you guys. So I'm finna get to work and wash my hand. Before I let you go, there's one thing I gotta do. Is give me my morning cup of coffee. Alrighty, you guys. I will see you after a while. You enjoy your day. I love you guys. Bye-bye now.